Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can enable something called two-factor authentication in ChatGPT. So in theory, with this feature, if someone has the info of your username and password on ChatGPT, they still not able to log into your account because you need a verification code that was actually sent to your phone, which is something that is difficult to access for hackers. And that's why this feature is highly recommended, especially if you want to secure your ChatGPT account. So let me show you how you can enable this feature on ChatGPT. So let's open ChatGPT, and after that you can navigate to your profile and go to settings, navigate to security, and you can enable something called Authenticator app. Just enable or toggle this menu. So if you are doing this for the first time, there's a good chance that you need to log in again with the same email that you have on your ChatGPT account, and you have to enter a sort of temporary code that was sent to your email, and after that you can go back to this page and you'll see this message. So this is a QR code that you can scan using your phone. Now in this case, I have my Android phone, so let me just fire up my phone. And after that, let's navigate to Google Play Store because I'm using Android. And you can install an app like Google Authenticator or perhaps Microsoft Authenticator. It's up to you which version that you want to use. But in this case, I want to use the one from Google. So let me just find that app. There you go. You can tap install. And the reason why I choose Google is because, of course, this is my Android phone. And also, if let's say I lose my phone, as long as I can access or log into my Gmail or Google account, I should be able to still open this Authenticator app. So that's why I think using Google Authenticator here makes a lot more sense. Okay, let me just open the app. There you go. Let me just click Get Started and let me select my account. Okay, so you are seeing a blank screen right now because there is a security feature in the app that is basically preventing any screen recording app to actually see the content, and that makes a lot of sense because you don't want to share this sensitive info to other parties. So basically what you need to do is you have to tap a button called Add a Code, and after that you can scan the QR code. So I'm going to just do it right now. Now you cannot see it, but I'm actually scanning my phone, scanning the code using my phone. Okay, now I need to enter the code that I saw on the screen on my phone. So the code for me is 766129. This is temporary. It always changing every, I think, 20 seconds or something, or maybe 30 seconds. So there you go. The feature has been enabled. Now, if I, let's say I want to log out from my ChatGPT account. Now this time around, it will ask me to log in with my username and password, and after that it will ask me for the number shown in the Google Authenticator app. So you'll see that it will ask me, okay, for the one-time code in the Google Authenticator app. So that's why this feature is highly recommended to be enabled, because it will secure your account from some unauthorized access. Okay, let's continue and just wait for it. I think it was a success. It took quite some time. Now there you go. Now I just log into my ChatGPT account, but I have the Authenticator code, and that's why it is a lot more secure than just using the basic username and password. So yeah, that's basically how you can enable the two-factor authentication feature in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.